Good morning. Today I'm going to talk to you about worry and stress and how normal it is to have these feelings and how we can try and mitigate it. Without a means of expressing any anxieties that you may have, stress can manifest and have adverse effects. So the meaning of worry is the state of being anxious and troubled over actual or potential problems. It's important to talk openly about what is going on and that the feelings we might be experiencing are being felt by a lot of other people too, and that by sharing and looking out for each other, we can make things a little better. Although stress and anxiety may arise in your personal life or at school, there are many simple ways to reduce the pressure that you might be feeling. Having a growth mindset will have a positive effect on everything that you do. If you have a growth mindset, you will believe that your ability to do something can change as a result of effort, hard work, and perseverance. If you have a fixed mindset, you believe your qualities or talents are fixed and cannot be changed, therefore not getting any better. This is when we think negatively. So we need some tips. These tips often involve getting your mind away from the source of stress. Here are some simple ways to relieve any anxieties. One way is to write things down. While recording what you're worried about is one approach, another is jotting down what you're grateful for. Gratitude may help relieve stress and anxiety by focusing your thoughts on what's positive in your life. Spending time with family and friends and find the humour in everyday life is also helpful. Finding the time to laugh is so important. Prioritise what needs to get done and make time for it. Listening to your favourite music can also be a great way to relax. Now the head boy and head girl of the prep school are now going to share a short story with you called Everybody Worries by John Bergerman.
Everybody worries. Even the bravest of the brave and the coolest of the cool can worry about something big or worry about something small. Even the toughest of the tough and the smartest of the smart can worry about noises they hear in the dark. What you find worrying, others might find fun. Worries aren't always the same for everyone. Sometimes an event turns the world upside down and everybody worries and wears a long frown. Worrying is normal when so much has changed. It's okay to worry when things don't stay the same. Your head might ache and your heart beat quickly as worries rise like a wave and make you feel sickly.
So let's talk to each other. We might all feel the same. Let's draw our worries and give them a name. Let's take 3 breaths, slow and deep. Let's exercise, eat well, and get enough sleep. Let's speak to our family and friends on the phone. Let's paint beautiful rainbows to say we're not alone. Sharing our worries can make us feel better. Sharing our feelings brings us together. It's okay to be worried, but it won't last forever. We can overcome anything when we're there for each other.
Good morning. Thank you to Mrs. Mills, Alana and William for your excellent assembly on worry and stress. Your wise words are useful to us all. This week, I'm delighted to present virtually certificates for academic achievement in art, photography and DT. In art, Izzy Repin for her perseverance and consistent hard work. Luke Reeve for his outstanding effort towards his artwork, both in and out of class. In photography, Marie Hui for her consistent effort towards her photography work. In DT, Carla Kirilova for her superb isometric drawings. Misha Kolpin for his great responses in class. Sam Zhang for his outstanding effort on his DT coursework. Well done to all of you. Have a very good week.